మబ్బుగా ఉంది. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ it is cloudy. Once again, it is cloudy. నేను ఒక తెల్ల పిల్లిని చూశాను. In English, I saw a white cat. Once again, I saw a white cat. ఇప్పుడు మనం కథ చదువుదాం. In English, now we will read the story. Once again, now we will read the story. దయచేసి నిలబడండి. In English, please stand up. Once again, please stand up. నీళ్ళని త్రాగండి. In English, drink the water. Once again, drink the water. దయచేసి దేవుళ్ళకి పళ్ళు సమర్పించండి. In English, please offer fruit to the God. Please offer fruit to God. అతని దగ్గర డబ్బులు లేవు. In English, he has no money. Once again, he has no money. అతన్ని కలిశారా. In English, did you meet him? Once again, did you meet him? ఇది నాకు అవసరం ఉండవచ్చు. In English, I may need this. Once again, I may need this. అతను రేపు రాగలడు. In English, he can come tomorrow. Once again, he can come tomorrow. నాకు బాగా లేదు. In English, I am not well. Once again, I am not well. దయచేసి తర్వాత రండి. In English, please come later. Once again, please come later. నువ్వు వెళ్ళవచ్చు. In English, you can go now. Once again, you can go now. నేను అబద్ధం చెప్పను. In English, I don't lie. Once again, I don't lie. నేను ఎప్పుడు నిజమే చెబుతాను. In English, I always speak truth. Once again, I always speak truth. నేను గదిని శుభ్రం చేశాను. In English, I cleaned the room. Once again, I cleaned the room. నేను తినడం పూర్తి చేశాను. In English, I finished eating. Once again, I finished eating. నేను వంట చేశాను. In English, I cooked the food. Once again, I cooked the food. అది నేను చెయ్యలేను. In English, I cannot do it. Once again, I cannot do it. అది ఎందుకు చల్లగా ఉంది. In English, why is it cold? Once again, why is it cold? అతను ఎందుకు ఆగాడు. In English, why did he stop? Once again, why did he stop?